So what do you do with an old hard drive that's got a bunch of files on it and won't really mount, so you can't really erase it, but you want to destroy all the data that's on it? Normally, I use a drill press. Today, I decided I'll use my 6.5 Creedmoor rifle. So all in all, I'd say that's a pretty good way to successfully erase a bunch of files off a hard drive. Largest piece of the putter I could find was smaller than a 1/4 inch, so I'm going to keep doing that. If you liked that video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting more over the future. Thanks a lot for watching.